Hello friends, I am Loknath Vishwas. I am showing you a debate of Christian oblique Muslim. If you are interested in seeing this debate, then please don't waste your time. Take a look right now.
If you can't take disbelievers as allies, except when it's convenient for you, that's cheating, isn't it?
It's not.
What is it then? In other words, lie if it suits you. Treacherously relate to someone as if he is an ally, even though you don't want him to be an ally, if it suits you. That's what it means. Would you ever try to read this? Or no, okay, that's fine.
Sir, I do have friends in Christian friends.
I'm not asking you. Please tell me what does this mean? Because you could be lying right now. How do I know if you're lying or not? And that's what I want you to explain this. My dear friends, Taqiyya is evil. Islam is evil. Are you Muslim, sir?
Yeah,
You are?
yeah,
So, and do you live here?
yes,
You do. Please come and explain to me. I am a Christian
yeah,
and I read the Quran
okay.
and I am thinking, well, why would anyone want to be a Muslim? You know, this is really terrible literature. And so I'm thinking, why would anyone want to read this and follow this? So please explain to me, in terms of the Quran, what are some good teachings in the Quran which can help us today in our culture here, in our society here?
It's similar like anything. So you told, what's your question?
Yeah.
Why you will to be a Muslim?
Yeah, why would anyone want to be a Muslim?
Why anyone they want to be a Christian? It's the
I'll
same.
explain to you.
Yeah.
For example, of course, I am as a Christian.
Yeah.
I worship my precious Lord Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is my role model. Yeah. Jesus Christ and the Bible together tell me that I should be telling truth. You know, true things, truth all the time. With truth, we can, for example, if I ask you where you come from, how old are you, and so on. If you give me only truthful statements, it all comes together well. But if you lie to me, that's not good, is it? Do you like lying?
No, nobody lying. Yeah.
But in the Quran,
No, the Quran is against lying, against anything like this.
have you heard of this thing called Taqiyya?
Taqiyya, yeah, but not for all Muslim telling like this.
So what is taqiyya?
It's
Please
a part. I don't know. This is not in the original Muslim.
In the Quran, I can show you taqiyya in the Quran.
Some people show me.
Can I show you taqiyya in the Quran? And essentially, I can tell you why taqiyya.
Show me the Taqiyya.
Yeah. So one second. Let me get that for you. Just 1 second. So, Surah 3, Ayah 28 to 32. Yeah, Surah 3, Ayah 28 to 30. If I get that for you. So, Surah Al-Imran, Surah 3,
Surah Imran, yeah.
28 to 32. Let non-believers take disbelievers as allies rather than believers. So, for example, you as a Muslim,
Yeah.
you're told that you can't have me as a friend because I am a Christian.
No.
Yes.
That's not what it means, not as a friend.
No.
Like, I wouldn't trust, for example, you can be friends, and actually Islam said that we should be good to all our neighbors, no matter what they are. It doesn't matter if they're Muslim or Jewish or whatever. That's not what it means.
What does it say? Let not believers take disbelievers as allies. What does that mean?
You can't take them as allies.
What does that mean?
You can't fight wars with them. How can you trust them if they believe in something different than you? You can be friends with them, you can go to dinner with them, but it doesn't mean that you take them as allies.
So you won't trust me?
But as an ally in war, no. As a neighbor and a friend and a co-worker, yes.
No.
No, that's what I mean.
When did Christians fight with Muslims?
I don't know.
Yeah. So such a war didn't exist. It was
They
essentially.
did not fight anyone just for the sake of fighting.
They
were
didn't?
trying to make people believe in God and Islam.
What did the Muslims?
Fighting to make people believe in Islam.
What did the Muslims do to the Jews in Hijazi?
What did the Jews do to the Muslims?
What did they do?
What did they do? You tell me. No. You answer first, and then I will answer and tell you
Jews.
why the Muslims
Sure.
don't do.
Jews live their own lives.
The Jew neighbor of Muhammad والسلام, was harming him in so many ways.
Like
and
what?
despite that,
Like what?
Muhammad
Like-
والسلام was throwing dirt and guts and stuff like that in front of his house.
Where?
And despite that, Muhammad والسلام, was going and asking about him every day.
Where? One second. Can you please move a little bit? That'll be lovely. So sorry. Apologies. Yeah. Now,
I want to see that.
Yeah. So let not disbelieve.
Give me the number of this.
Surah 3, Surah Al-Imran,
سورة العمران.
28 to 32.
أنا حجيب الصورة بالعربي.
Read tafsir of Quran, or are you just taking words and asking questions about it? Did you read tafsir of Quran?
I've read the entire Quran multiple times.
Did you read tafsir of Quran? Not Quran.
Please listen to me.
Uh-huh.
Please listen. Do you think Quran is a clear literature?
No, you have to actually read it and understand it. It's not easy to understand.
Do you think you're not answering me? Do you think Quran is clear literature?
Clear literature?
Clear book.
No.
Quran isn't clear?
No, you
Okay.
have to understand it. No. You have to really read the tafsir. You can't just
Sure,
read it.
that's
and
fine.
go,
Wait.
I'm
that's
Arabic.
not-
I'm Arabic. I cannot understand from the first
No.
reading.
Sure.
You-
All right. Let me yeah.
No.
Let me move on to something else. Let me move on to something
Take
else.
Quran with context. Don't take it as literal.
I-
You cannot do that.
One second.
You cannot go and go, oh, what do you think of this ayah? No, that's not how. You need to understand why this ayah came. Why did Allah tell our Rasul ﷺ why did it come? You can't just take it literal and go, oh, Quran said you should fight people and kill everybody. No. That's not what it means. You should read tafsir. That's why I said, did you read tafsir of Quran? Or are you just coming here and ambushing people and say, your Quran says this?
Let me ask you this once.
It's not in
Did you
Quran.
read
I'm sure.
tafsir of Quran?
One second.
Did you read tafsir of Quran?
One second. Please 1 second.
No. Answer my question. Did you read tafsir?
1 second.
Which tafsir? Ibn
It's-
Kathir? Who's tafsir?
My dear friend,
Just
you need to
leave it.
one second. You need to hear out. Yeah. So let's say you are a Muslim who maybe lived 20 years after Muhammad passed away. Which tafsir would you read?
You can read them all.
No tafsir existed at that time.
You can read them all.
Do you know when Ibn Kathir was written?
It was recent. It's not far.
So how could you read Ibn Kathir if it wasn't written?
You can read them all. How can you understand?
You're not
Quran?
listening right now.
No, there are lots of tafsir.
One second.
No,
second.
just Ibn Kathir.
You're not listening right now.
No, you're not listening. You're not answering my
Listen to me.
question.
Can you read a book that doesn't exist?
Show you.
Can you read? Well, please answer me because she's not listening. Can you
No.
once? Can you read a book?
Do you live now or do you live 2,000 years ago? When do you live? Now.
Can
So
you read-
a book that exists now and you go look for others?
What about
searching.
Bible? In
Well,
this
one
case?
second, one second.
You can't
You-
just take one word
lo-
and
lo-
go, oh, what does this mean?
How do you know that's what I did?
belief.
How do you know that's
You
what I
just did it. I saw you. You just did it. You were like, oh, look at this ayah in Al-Imran. You know what
No,
it
no,
says? You can't take
Listen,
Muslims as
listen.
allies.
How do you know I haven't?
And then you
Go back
said,
to the
Yeah,
And then
a
you
little bit,
asked-
It's not in
too much,
Quran.
too much
The
emotions,
Quran is not in
too
Quran.
much, too much. So
No, no.
please,
does that mean you
please,
can't
too
live
much,
with
too much,
non-Muslims?
too much,
No.
too much.
It's not in the Quran.
Let's read. Let's read.
That's
Let's
what
read.
it means.
Let's read.
I'm telling you that.
Let's read.
I'm
Let
telling
not-
you, show me.
Let not believers take disbelievers as allies, rather than believers. And whoever of
It's
you,
not go through translation. I'm seeing. I will.
yeah, but please get the Arabic.
sure it's not.
Please get the Arabic. And whoever does that has nothing with Allah, except when taking precaution against them in prudence.
Do you want to tell
What
us?
does
One
that-
second, one
What does that mean?
It means
Huh?
don't take. Listen, please.
Yeah. Listen.
Don't take believers as allies
Okay.
unless it's convenient for you. That's what it means.
Oh, that's what you understood.
What did you
That's not
understand?
What it means.
Okay, let's read.
That's how you want.
I'd like him to please. I'd like him to read and tell me what it means.
He's not talking to you.
Please,
Verse
I'd like him to
33.
please.
Letting you talk.
Because you're not going through the points.
No, you're not.
You're just emotionally saying some stuff. It doesn't
You're
doesn't
not
work
answering-
like that.
You're not answering me back.
Yeah. Well, one second.
Let him
let
explain,
the
let
gentleman-
me, because I-
Can you speak English or Arabic or?
I do speak.
Yeah, please. So please tell me, if you can't take disbelievers as allies, except when it's convenient for you, that's cheating, isn't it?
It's not.
What is it then?
So tell me what you understand when you read the verse. When you read the verse, you
Let's read again.
Yeah.
Let's read again.
Yeah.
No, what
No,
do you
I want you
understand?
to explain it to me. I want you to tell me.
That's what I did.
Yeah.
And you asked me to do that again.
Yeah.
And so let me read and do that
Yeah.
again. Let not believers take disbelievers as allies rather than, let me finish, rather than believers. Don't take disbelievers as allies. But then it goes on to say, whoever does that has nothing with Allah. It's so terrible if you did that. If you, one second. If you have a Christian friend, it's so terrible. One second. It's so, once. It's, well, you tell me what the text means otherwise. If you take disbelievers, it's so terrible that Allah doesn't belong to anymore. And then it goes on, except when taking precaution against them in prudence. In other words, except if it suits you. In other words, lie if it suits you. Treacherously relate to someone as if he is an ally, even though you don't want him to be an ally, if it suits you. That's what it means. Tell me what it could mean otherwise.
You could have just done this like in a second. You just kept like beating around the bush, and you just saying the stuff.
Please don't beat around the bush. Tell me what it means.
Yeah.
Believers should not take
please.
disbelievers as guardians instead of the believers, and
Yeah.
whoever does so will not have nothing from Allah,
Yeah.
unless it is a precaution against the tyranny.
Yeah.
And Allah warns you about
So
Himself.
unless,
And Allah too. So whatever you're saying now has.
in other words, you're beginning to read right now, but tell me what it says.
Has nothing. I know it's in Arabic.
Listen.
So why did you read in English?
So
Read
that
the
you
Arabic and tell me
understand,
what it means.
Because what you said in English
Okay,
now.
please, excuse me, my friend.
what
You're
you
not.
said
Once.
now is unless
You're-
it suits them. Where is this word in Arabic?
Okay, please read the Arabic. Tell me what the Arabic says.
لا يتخذ المؤمنون الكافرين أولياء من دون المؤمنين. That means that whoever believers should only take believers and don't take the disbelievers. And who does that? ليس من الله في شيء, as you said, it has nothing to do with Allah. إلا أن تتقوا منهم تقاه. Unless it's a precaution against the tyranny. So
Where does the word tyranny there? Where is the word tyranny there?
تقاه إلا أن تتقوا منهم تقاه ويحذركم الله. English cannot be translated into Arabic.
Is the word
exactly.
tyranny in Arabic there?
No, it's the word unless it suits them in Arabic there.
Okay, I'll take the Arabic.
Is it there?
Yeah, let me take.
I know Arabic and English. Is it there? It's
So
not there.
Okay, let me.
So whatever you have here, you're trying to twist.
So no, you're cheating right now.
No,
You're
I'm
doing
not
taqiyya right
cheating.
now.
I'm not cheating.
You're doing taqiyya right now.
I understand Quran and Arabic, and you don't.
Okay.
And you got the
Let's
English
look at the Arabic.
translation.
Let's look at the Arabic here. Please come here.
Yeah.
The Arabic is here. And let's look at the Arabic here.
It will not
Very
go
simply.
through in Quran
Yeah, look.
like
Come here, please come here.
Arabic is not like English. You can't just understand.
Excuse me, my friend.
Arabic is not like English. You can't just say.
Excuse me, sir.
One word.
Excuse me, madam,
oh, that's
please.
what it means in Arabic.
Would you
Okay,
ever try
fine.
to read this?
No.
Or no? Okay,
No.
that's fine. In
Yeah.
which case, let me ask him or him. So please, except that you fear from them. That's what it says. Except that you fear from them. In other words, if you are afraid of them, behave as if they are your friends. That's terrible cheating, isn't it?
No, it's not. Let me tell you.
How do you, for example, in the UK, you are living in the UK,
Yes.
you might be so far.
Yeah, I do have a Christian friend.
Sure, but that's not the point I'm asking.
I'm not a religion friend.
But that's not what I'm asking.
No, you
Look,
just read the ayah.
Excuse me, my friend. In the UK, while it is not Islamic, you could be cheating according to this. Yeah.
No,
So please explain. What does this mean?
sir, I do have friends in Christian friends.
I'm not asking you. Please tell me what does this mean? Because you could be lying right now. How do I know if you're lying or not? And that's what I want you to
How do we
explain
know
this.
You're lying.
Explain what?
This particular one. Except that you fear from them.
Okay, do you know when this ayah was revealed? Do you know the context?
You explain. Please, don't ask questions. You explain.
You know when this ayah was.
What
Please
are you?
explain.
What are you? What's your religion?
My dear friend, you're never reading.
I want to
What's
ask.
your religion?
Irrelevant. Explain to me this.
You're asking
Explain.
me if I was a Muslim, and now when I ask you
I am
what
a Christian.
you
I
want-
told multiple times. I am a Christian.
Say-
I told you in Christianity. He asked me.
In Christianity, are you allowed to drink wine?
Excuse me, my dear.
Are you allowed to drink wine in Christianity?
Can I please ask you to listen right now?
Answer my question because
Answer.
I tried answering your
Excuse me, my friend.
question. In Christianity,
One
are
second.
you allowed to drink wine?
Okay.
Yeah,
Can
just
I?
answer this
Yes
No,
or
no.
Do you drink wine?
Is that your wife?
Yes.
lovely as she is, she doesn't know she doesn't know facts. Did you ask me? Did you right at the start? Did you ask once? My friend. I want Takia to be explained. When you came here, remember I asked you why you are a Muslim, and you said just like why I could be a Christian. Sorry, young man. Sorry.
Turkey is not in Islam.
Please
First
explain.
I'm telling you.
No, please explain.
I cannot.
Why? No, I want. What does this mean? Except that you fear from them.
This is not my issue.
This is not the Quran? Is this the Quran?
This is not Quran. This is
Oh, okay. So that's fine. No, that's fine. So at least she rants on, never reads the verse, and you are saying it's not the Quran. Maybe some other Muslim could help. Are you Muslim, sir? No, you're not. So maybe the other gentleman could help. At least he was trying to read. I want to find out what this statement means. Except.
You don't want to find out. You want to try and twist it to make it what you're.
Please help me then. Let's say I am twisting. You tell me. Except
yourself
that
first.
you fear for them. What does that mean? The untwisted version. What does that mean?
If you're in a war and fighting, who would you take as a new ally? People you trust or people you don't trust? Who would be your ally in a war?
Don't ask me something. Please explain.
That's how
Don't
you
ask
said
question. Explain.
You said explain.
Please explain. Yeah.
That's how I explain. By example, who would you take as an ally in war?
Okay. Good.
Who would you take?
Sure.
We're not in war here. This
Will you
ayah-
stop? You asked me a question.
This ayah.
Did
when
she
it
ask me a
came
question
down-
right now?
I'm not asking you any
And I was beginning. Do you want me to answer something?
No, I don't
Okay.
want
Then
you
in
to
which
answer.
case,
I just
go on.
wanted to listen
Please
to
explain.
So this ayah, when it came down in 3,000 years ago. All right.
3,000 years ago. When was it?
1,400 years
She's
ago.
making things up as she goes along.
1,400 years ago.
1400.
1,400.
1400.
Yes, when there was war. When
there's-
there's war between Muslims and non-Muslim. When
Okay,
Muslims
let me
were
ask you a simple
trying-
question.
When they're trying to spread Islam into the world. That's when.
Can
it
I ask
came
a question
down.
now?
It's not for now. It's not telling you to now.
Can I ask a question right now?
To go and take non-Muslims and disbelievers and don't treat them
At home, how do
properly.
you conversations work?
No
Can I ask a question right
conversations at
now?
home with people
Can I
who
ask a question right now? Can I ask a question right now?
No.
In the middle of a war,
No.
well, yeah, because things don't work. Maybe at home it might, but not here. I hear people speak even when you don't allow them to speak. Okay, let me ask you a question, sir.
want to do-
No, please. No, you clearly haven't got a clue. You just want to say something. Now, how many of you believe this verse was in the context of a war when the verse clearly is saying,
Let's Google it.
I'm speaking right now.
Let's Google it.
You see, the lady wouldn't let me finish. Will she let you finish at home?
Please, don't listen to me.
All right, please listen, my dear
Go
friend.
on.
Please listen.
You go on.
Excuse me, please listen. Now, if it was the time of a war, would the Quran have to explicitly say, don't make friends among believers? Those are war enemies. It would have been obvious as black and white. You know, it's pretty much like saying the British government issuing a public notice during Second World War, don't make friends among Nazis. That's silly. You won't need that because everyone was clear it was a time of war. It wasn't a time of making friends.
No.
The lady doesn't even know the context. She makes things up as she goes along. Please. No, you need to answer. You need to answer me. No, please. That's fine. I wish you luck at home. God's blessings.
Do you know why the ayah was actually...
No, I don't want to know anything from you because you keep speaking. You ask a question, and when I begin speaking, you speak over me again, and then you say, "No, you don't want me to speak." It's really bad. Please,
No.
my dear friends, Takia is evil. Islam is evil.
In your mind only.
In my mind, not in the Quran. Lovely.
Islam is evil. That's why the whole place is discussing Islam only.
The whole
Because
place?
Islam is evil. Everywhere I go, people are only discussing Islam, not politics, not social situation, not the living crisis. No. Let's all talk about Islam.
You know why?
Muslims are bad.
You know why?
And because they fight everyone.
You know why?
No, I don't know why.
Islam is so terrible. We are dealing with it because there are clueless people like you who make things up. Practice Takia even
You
here.
are showing unrespectful now to Islam. Nobody from us tell anything against your religion, okay?
No, I'm
and
not.
you're not following your religion.
That's fine.
Well, okay?
That's fine.
And This is not good things.
What is not good? What is not
Are
good?
you Christianity?
What is not good?
You're
This
What is
Christian.
not
You're
respectful?
not Christianity.
Telling somebody like
Islam is very good. Please
Very
explain.
good.
What is very good about Islam?
Everything is good.
No,
Please
no,
tell me
no.
what is good about Islam.
Like,
Please
just
tell
you
me.
are telling
At
something.
least we don't lie and
Why
twist
you are
and
coming
turn
here?
stuff.
Really? Did you really? You so far
No,
didn't
no, no,
explain
no,
to me
no.
what
I-
the
Why you are
Twist
coming
and
to?
turn.
Why you are coming here just to talk
to expose
against
Islam. To
Why?
expose Islam.
Why?
Islam is so
Why?
terrible. I mean, why would a doctor?
Why? This is your issue.
You ask me right now. Why does a medical doctor? Please listen. Please, you ask me why. Please listen. Why does a medical doctor go to practice every day? For the same reason, every Sunday I come here to deal with Islam.